Hello children, today I would be teaching you lesson number 10. Okay, I would be teaching you this lesson in two parts. Today I will be teaching you the first part of lesson number 10. Okay, now let's start the class. Children, the name of the chapter is People Who Grow Food. Okay, people who grow food means we'll be talking about farmers and the problems faced by the farmers, irrigation, importance of irrigation. Okay children, who is a farmer? All of you know that people who grow food for us are called farmers. Okay, they work in the field all the time for us, growing food for us. Okay, so children, India is the land of farmers. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of India. All of you know this very well, that mostly Indian people depend upon agriculture for their livelihood. So in this chapter we'll be talking about those people who grow food for us, that is farmers. Okay children, farmers grow crops, cereals, pulses, vegetables and fruits for us. Crops may be of two types: food crops and cash crops. Food crops are the crops which we eat directly. Cash crops are the crops which we sell and get money. Okay children, farmers can be of three types: big farmers, middle level farmers and tenant farmers. Big farmers, middle level farmers and tenant farmers. Okay children, talking about big farmers. Big farmers are the farmers who have or who own a larger field, who have a huge field, who have tractors along with them for plowing the field, who have modern machinery for working in the field, and also use high yielding variety of seeds for crops. Okay, and they also employ laborers under them for working. Okay, because they are having money with them, so they are known as big farmers. Next we come to middle level farmers. Children, middle level farmers have a relatively small plot for cultivation. They do not have a huge field for cultivation. They work along with their family members in the field for crop cultivation. They may or may not have modern machinery for cultivation. Okay, so these people are called middle level farmers. Next we are having tenant farmers. Tenant farmers do not have their own land. They work along with the big farmers on contract basis. And when do they work? They mainly get work during the time of harvest, but all the year round they don't get work. Then children, what do they do at the rest of the time of the year? Rest of the time of the year they work as casual laborers in construction sites. Okay, these are known as tenant farmers. We'll study about life of a farmer. Children, life of a farmer is not easy. It's very tough. Okay, these people have to work in extreme weather conditions. They have to work all day long, whether it is sunny or whether it is raining or whether it is too much of cold, to take care of their field and their crops. Because once the crop gets damaged, nobody can save their life then. Okay, they have to dedicate themselves all the time in the field. Okay, and if the crops get damaged by heavy rain or storm or any insect also, then what will happen? The entire crop production will fail and they will not get money, or they will not earn money like that. So they have to be very careful and in the field all the time after their crops. Okay children, if there is a poor crop production, the sale will also be very poor, and that will lead to poverty. Poverty means they will not have that much of money also to feed their children and buy new seeds. Okay, so it is very tough for a farmer to survive and work in the field, but children, they have to do it because it is their livelihood. Okay, now we'll talk about irrigation. The process of providing water to the crops is called as irrigation. Okay, children, rainwater is the most important source of water on earth. We all know that. But the thing is, we cannot depend upon rainwater alone for crops. Okay, so along with rainwater, there has to be some other source of water also, so that the crops may grow. Okay, so the farmers can set up tube wells, canals, or water sprinklers. All of you know, children, what are tube wells? Tube wells are hand pumps. Okay, means drawing water from under the ground or fetching groundwater. Okay, by pumping with hand, the groundwater which is under the ground will come up and farmers can use them, or by digging wells. Okay, in some area wells are dug and farmers take out water from inside the earth. So in both the case, water is groundwater. Now children, water sprinkler is a special a system of machinery set up in the field so that water can reach up to long distances in the field, okay, by sprinkling method. Or they can set up canals also. What are canals? Canals are huge trenches of land dug so that water of the rivers can be diverted towards the village or towards the land. Okay, so this is known as irrigation. So the process of providing water to the crops is known as irrigation. Rainwater is the most important source, but rainwater alone is not sufficient. So farmers have to set up some alternative means also. For example, tube wells, water sprinkler, canals, etc. So children, this was the first part of lesson number 10. In the next video, I will be teaching you about the second part. Okay, these are the important points. You can note it down. Okay, so children, go through the chapter. We'll meet in the next video with the second part of the lesson. Okay, until then, take care. Goodbye.